Hello, my beautiful people. Merry Christmas to you all, especially my subscribers. May your homes be filled with joy and happiness in this season. So, in today's video, I will show you how to season and bake your whole chicken in the oven, and this is perfect for this season we are. To start, I will cut the chicken into a butterfly. Okay, to season the chicken, I have garlic powder, ginger powder, onion powder, I have chicken seasoning powder, curry powder, rosemary, thyme, pepper, dry pepper, chicken seasoning powder, paprika, salt. I'll also be adding a little black pepper. So I'll mix all these ingredients together. Now I will dry the chicken with a kitchen paper. After that, I will go ahead and rub oil on the chicken. You can feel free to use any oil of your choice. I'm using olive oil. I will now season the chicken with our mixed seasoning. And I'm using my hand to do this, making sure that the seasoning enters in all area of the chicken. And I want to use this opportunity to say a warm welcome to all my new and returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always being there and coming back to watch my videos. If you are watching till now, please do me a favor by hitting that red place that says subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you like what you are seeing. And remember that you can always share my video to your family and friends, okay? So I make sure the seasoning enters in all parts. So after that, I will go ahead and also rub olive oil. After that, I put it inside a Ziploc bag and I marinated it for 2 hours. But if you have time, you can marinate it overnight. And after the 2 hours, This is what it looks like. Now I will transfer it into a baking dish. I will spread the remaining seasoning on top, just this way. I will spread a little olive oil on top. You can feel free to use any oil of your choice, but I'm using olive oil. Also fresh rosemary. And I will be covering it with aluminum foil. So after that, I will transfer it to the oven that I have preheated at 180 degrees. After 40 minutes, I removed the foil and turned the chicken to the other side of it. And I will bake for another 40 minutes. So in total, I bake the chicken for 80 minutes. So the sauce it brought out, I will take it and spread it on top of the chicken. So after the 40 minutes, here we have the chicken is ready, and this chicken tasted so delicious. It was so yummy. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And may this season of Christmas, may your home be filled with joy and happiness. Until we see you soon. Bye bye.